What if one simple skill could make almost every algebra formula easier? Today, you're going to learn how to solve literal equations by isolating any variable. Whether the variable is hidden inside fractions, grouped expressions, or square roots, the process is always the same. Let's dive in. Example 1. Suppose we have a equals L times W. We want to solve for W. Since W is multiplied by L, divide both sides by L. We have A over L equals LW over L. The L's cancel. The answer is W equals A divided by L. Done. Example 2. Now consider P equals 2L plus 2W. Solve for W. Subtract 2L from both sides. We get P minus 2L equals 2W. Now divide both sides by 2. We have P minus 2L all over 2 equals 2W over 2. The 2's cancel on the right. The answer is W equals the quantity P minus 2L divided by 2. Example 3. Next we have D equals R times T. To solve for T, divide both sides by R. We have D over R equals RT over R. The R's cancel. The answer is T equals D divided by R. Simple and effective. Example 4. Now look at this equation. A equals the quantity B plus C divided by D. Solve for B. First, multiply both sides by D. We have A times D equals the quantity B plus C divided by D times D. The D's cancel. Now we have A times D equals B plus C. Next, subtract C from both sides. We get A times D minus C equals B plus C minus C. The C's cancel on the right. The answer is B equals A times D minus C. Always clear the denominator first. Example 5. Here's a square root equation. Y equals the square root of x plus 5. Solve for x. To remove the square root, square both sides. We have y squared equals the square root of x plus 5 squared. The square root and the square cancel. Now we have y squared equals x plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. We get y squared minus 5 equals x plus 5 minus 5. The 5's cancel on the right. The answer is x equals y squared minus 5. The square root is gone. Example 6. Consider this equation. K equals 3 times the quantity x minus 4. Solve for x. Many students distribute first, but there's a faster way. Divide both sides by 3. We have k over 3 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 4 over 3. The 3's cancel. Now we have k over 3 equals x minus 4. Next, add 4 to both sides. We get k over 3 plus 4 equals x minus 4 plus 4. The 4's cancel on the right. The answer is x equals k divided by 3 plus 4. Less work, fewer mistakes. Example 7. Finally consider y equals the quantity 2x minus 5 squared. Solve for x. First, take the square root of both sides. We have the square root of y equals the square root of the quantity 2x minus 5 squared. The square root and the square cancel. Now we have the square root of y equals 2x minus 5. Next, add 5 to both sides. We get the square root of y plus 5 equals 2x. Now divide both sides by 2. We have square root of y plus 5 all over 2 equals 2x over 2. The 2's cancel on the right. Now we are left with square root of y plus 5 all over 2 equals x. The answer is x equals square root of y plus 5 divided by 2, one layer at a time. Final recap. Whenever you solve a literal equation, remember these 4 steps. First, identify the variable you want. Second, undo operations in reverse order. Third, clear fractions and square roots before moving on. And fourth, keep removing layers until the variable stands alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.